sa NAIA Terminal 1. So, naghihintay na lang kami ng aming check-in para makuha din yung aming boarding pass. So, ang flight namin ay 5:30. Yan, papuntang Taiwan, Taipei. Yan. So, ito yung loob ng NAIA Terminal 1. First time ko makapasok dito, guys. Kasi kalimitan lagi kaming sa NAIA Terminal 3. So, update ko na lang kayo. Bye, guys! Welcome to our vlog! Ayan. Yes! Ayan. Ayan, papunta kami ng Taiwan, Taipei.
Sa Tauchung Bicol Hotel.
Ah, hindi. Ang Tauchung. Ni hao! Ni hao! Ayan. So, ayan guys. Nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. Medyo madali lang yung immigration. Wala namang ibang tinanong. Ang tinanong lang is kung pang ilang tour ko na. Yun. So, happy. Mabilis lang ang process ng immigration. So, mamaya dun kami. Ayan. Diyan kami dadaan. Ano kami? Pang gate number 3. So, kakain muna kami guys ha. Ma'am Rona, anong gate nga tayo? Ayan, gate 3 kami. Kaway ka naman dyan, Ninang. Yan ang aking Ninang. Mag-sleeping beauty muna kami. Yes.
Kasi may 2 hours pa kami.
Huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe guys ha. Kasi dyan tayo kumikita.
Sparkle Division Gold Taiwan.
Oo nga. Yes.
For free.
For free. Yan, ganito pala ang ano dito. Feel dito sa NAIA Terminal 1.
Depende sa feel. Kasi may mga feel na malungkot dito eh.
Kaya nga.
Kaalis kasi magtatrabaho.
Kaya nga.
Tayo, iba feel natin.
Iba feel natin. Feel na feel.
Feel na libre lang.
Yes. Kaya mag-realty na kayo. Mag-accept po pala ako ng ano, na mga gustong mag-agent. Yan. PM lang kayo sa akin. Para mag-tour na rin kayo. Ayan guys, so papunta na kami ng gate 3. So ito yung daan dito sa NAIA Terminal Airport Terminal 1. NAIA International Airport Terminal 1.
Sali na kayo. Team Unstoppable.
Yun.
Meron po incentive. May bike, may jacket.
Oo.
Skechers, 8,000.
Kaya. Kami nga, ma'am, sa amin naman free massage. Oh. Sa amin nga free body massage. Ayan guys, ito yung ating Philippine souvenir. O pa, may more yun oh. Pa, may more yun oh. Ayun oh.
Philippines nga.
O pa, saan ka ba dito nag-i-stay?
Gate 5-2.
Ay, gate 3 tayo, di ba?
Gate 3. So baka din yun naman.
O yan, paano yan?
Kabila na.
Kabila na lang daw, sabi ni sir.
Left side na lang. Pabilog lang po ito.
Ayan, paikot.
Dapat tinutur mo kami dito kasi pabalik-balik ka sa abroad.
Yes. Ayan na, gate 4 daw, sabi ni sir. O ayan na, para nakikita ko na PR 890 Taipei. Ayan na. Recording lang sir, pero sa vlog ito diretso. At wag mag-skip ng ads. Ayan, so ito na ang aming mga kasamahan. Karamihan sa aming mga kasamahan nandito na.
Dawag pala dito madam.
Ayan, so ayan guys, so nakikita nyo, PR
Matulog na tayo, madam.
890. Ayan, Taipei. Alright.
Your travel documents for final inspection. So those who are not yet checked will be intercepted before boarding. On behalf of the Philippine Airlines, we thank you for your confidence.
Ayan guys, boarding na kami. Boarding na kami, Mamura. Boarding na tayo. Yan. na kami. Pasok na kami sa gate. Bound to Taipei. Kaway-kaway ka dyan pa. Please subscribe. We're going to Taipei. So ito pala guys ang dinadaan.
Bacon Hotel.
Yes, and then yung second is Hotel Cham Cham. Yan na guys, papasok na tayo. Sabi ko po. Thank you. Pahanapin mo na. 56A ako pa. Okay, 41, 42 dulo pa pa. 56. Lang namin yung aming upuan, guys. Ayan na, yung national run. Hi, Madam CEO. Good morning. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay. Good morning. Good morning, Madam Gold. Yan ako, katabi ako ni Mama, tama. O, 56A ako eh. Magpapalit. O, kaya magpapalit niya kayo.
Hi everyone.
Hi,
Good morning.
Good morning.
So,
ang dating namin doon ay kasi 6:30 kami alis. 2 hours. Okay ka naman dyan pa. Si Taiwan. Ano hinihaw mo? First time namin mag-Philippine Airlines na merong tablet sa unahan. At may pa-free pa yan guys. Ito oh. Ayan. May free tayong headset. Thank you Epic Homes. Ayan. Tapos meron tayo ditong Airbus 330-300 safety information, safe travels. Ayan guys. Magaling tayo dito. Open natin. So nandito yung ating mga safety precautions. Ayan. Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Philippines. So ang seat ko guys is 56A. Si Mama is 56A. Si Papa 56A. Magkakalapit pa. Natin itong tablet.
On behalf of First Officer Carlo Pasig and the rest of the Airbus 330 crew headed to Purser Gloria Gamas, I'm delighted to welcome everyone.
For the safety of everyone in this flight.
Before settling down, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment.
seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive
Cabin crew doors to disarm.
Ayan guys, so nandito na kami sa
cabin crew disarm
airport
slides and cross-check.
ng Taiwan. Ayan na guys, ang daming mga aircraft pa. Karamihan China Airlines. Ayan, welcome to Taiwan, Taipei.
Welcome to the land.
Oh, Picture Garden. We arrive at 8:45 a.m. So, update namin kayo guys dun sa loob ng airport.
Mga vloggers.
Good morning, RPH. Welcome to the land of Picture Garden. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Hello, ma.
Ni hao.
Hi, eto na kami here in Taiwan, Taipei.
Lahat ng OFW Taiwan, dito tayo sa gilid. Thank you.
Kami here, kami dito.
OFW Taiwan, mga nagbakasyon, first timer, dito tayo.
Ayan, nandito tayo sa Taiwan. Ayan guys, Taiwan. RPH. Our first travel tour in APEC Homes. Welcome to the land of Picture Garden. Yes. Ayan. Aloha, welcome. Bienvenue. Welcome. Oh, and Salamat Detang. Bienvenue. Kayong dalawa. Glorious Taiwan. So, yun ang schedule namin kanina. We arrived at 8:40. Exactly 8:40. So, ito yung duty free for free service counter. Small World, Taipei. Ay, yung Jorma, oh. Ay, yung Jor, oh. Asan yung nalabasa? guys. Yan na guys, sasakay na kami ng bus. Hi Brilliant, hi Sparka. Guys, ay, okay na yan. Yan guys, nandito guys, ang mga bus dito sa Taiwan. Ayan, depende kung saan kami. Ayun, dito pala kami guys naka-assign. Bus number 1. So, pa lahat ng ating ano doon nilalagay. Bus 1. Ayan, si Ma'am Girlie. O, go na guys. Bus 1. All the baggage. Go. Ito ang aming bus.
According to the Taiwan traffic regulation.
Yan na guys, so start na ng aming journey. Day 1.
We have
Puyaters, pero mamaya pa po kami makakapasok sa ano hotel. Yan guys. Ayun na, may sky train. Ano yan? Ba't may ginagalaw sila?
Let me know.
Wow! Ay, may seatbelt pa?
Let me know.
Oh, may pa seatbelt. Nandiyan sa gilid yan. Ayan guys, ang kanilang airport. So, bigyan ko kayo ng pahapyaw ng konti sa kanilang airport. Here is Taiwan. Taipei. So, dito, parehas tayo ng ano, kagaya ng sa Pilipinas, dito rin ang ano, sa kanan ang papunta. Yeah. Ayan guys, bigyan kayo ng pahapyaw dito. Ayan, ay ang ganda oh. Tapos ayun pa oh, may Air Asia. Naku, sawa na kaming sumakay kanina, nalulo. Nakakahilo no. Ayan, ganito ang kanilang ano dito. Yeah. Konting ano lang guys, 30. Airport pa din. Ayan. Ayan na, soon to at saka yung 1. So paalis na kami sa airport. Ayan. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, parang Pilipinas lang din, oh, may skyway.
Ay, mali.
Pero kakaiba. Guys, so binigyan kami ng aming tour guide na aming ano, Taiwan tourist map. Yan. So ganito ang style niya. Oh, malaki siya guys. Maraming, yung mga pupuntahan namin nandito lahat siya. Airport.
Send the photos back to you.
Alright, Shishi.
Okay?
Name is Eric. Okay. First name is Jiaqi. Okay. First name is Jiaqi. So last name is Chu. So you can call me Eric or Jiaqi. Okay. So our driver, Mr. Chen, he will take care of us. He will drive us to go anywhere. Okay, to Taiwan. So let's say good morning or say 你好，你好，陈先生你好，大家可以说你好，谢谢 ，OK， 谢谢 ，OK， that means 谢谢 that means thank you, OK，
Yes.
So you can call me Eric, OK， that's easy, OK，
Eric.
So I want to check, is your first time to travel Taiwan?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I bet you love the Taiwan very much. Okay, I will tell you lots of story Taiwan.
Alright.
Okay, where we are now, we are in the north of Taiwan, Taoyuan City. Taoyuan City.
Taoyuan City.
Taoyuan City. Yes. Okay, and my home just live near the airport. Okay. So from my home to the airport is only about 25 minutes by bus. Yes.
Wow.
So I'm a lifeguard coach. I'm swimming every day since I was a high school student. Every day, 1,000 meters. So in the summertime, if I have time, I would go to the pool to train the people to be a lifeguard. So also I work in a hospital, in the emergency room and the cancer ward. Okay, I worked there for 17 years until now. So I service the patient and their family. Okay, that's a volunteer. Okay, so I also live in New York City for 5 years. 5 years. 500 years ago, the Portuguese sailors discovered Taiwan. At that time, the people, okay, just found out this island. They call Ilha Formosa. You know, Ilha Formosa. What's meaning? That's mean beautiful island. So sometimes you hear the people to say Formosa, Formosa. That's a point in Taiwan. That's a point in Taiwan. Okay, so now we are from our place, now from here to our destination. That's about 2 hours. 2 hours. So during the time you can do everything you want. Okay, because we are got up earlier. So if you want talk or you want to speak, just be a little quiet because some people will take the risk. Okay, so visit the garden. Okay, you can take photos. They are many beautiful flower blossoms. Okay, so actually, okay, that is because the temperature here is how about the temperature today? Today in the Taichung city, that's about 31 degrees Celsius. Very comfortable, 31 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's Taichung. Now we are already in Taichung. So today our lunch is barbecue. Wow, unlimited. Okay, so that's all you can eat. Okay, so remember. Okay, you can enjoy. Okay, enjoy the barbecue. I know you are very professional. You in your country, right? Barbecue. Okay, so it's about the people will be able, or 9 people will be have the seat on one table. Okay, 8 each, 8 or 9 each. So now I will give you the table take. Okay, for our lunch. Thank you. 谢谢。
谢谢。
Okay. How about you? You with your... No, you are single, right? You are individual. This one. Okay, this one. Number 3. Okay. Okay. You just follow the tag number to have it. Okay, thank you.
Papasok na tayo dito sa flower farm. Yung tawag nilang flower market. Kung nyo maalala dito, shooting yung sa Meteor Garden. Yan guys, so ito na nga yung tinatawag natin na flower farm or flower garden. Yan, dito nag-shooting ang Meteor Garden. Sila Sunshine. Papasok na tayo dito. So ito ang CR. Yan guys, ganito ang kanilang ano dito. Barbecue. Ito kami sa kakain sa barbecue.
No problem. Okay, okay, my friends. Okay, you want to go to CR? It's over there. Yes.
Wow, ito ang CR. That is the CR for the girls. And this is the CR for the boys. Yan ang mga tulips. Ito. Yan. Magaganda yung mga halaman.
Wala tayong halaman dito.
Wala. Kakaibang mga halaman. Ayan. Ito, 80. Ito naman is 2 for 100. Oh, ganda. Kakaiba ang mga halaman nila dito. Ayun pa, marami pa sa loob. Guys, dito yung ating barbecue. Dito tayo kakain. Lunch out namin, barbecue. Ayan, meron tayo sa Changchu Flower Garden. Boss 1. Boss 1 or pass 1? Pass 1 na tayong kakain? Huwag naman.
Pass 1.
Amoy uso. Tayo 2. Tayo yan 2. Wow. Kasi mamroon namin taga-ihaw. Ano nihaw mo? Ano nihaw? Nihaw. Nihaw. Shishi. Ayan sila, nakaluto na. Ang bagay magluto. Ayun na, ganun lang to. Oh. Yes, doon lulutuin.
Baliktad tayo.
Baliktad doon. Kasi nga didikit. Oh.
Ano ba talaga?
Ayan, oh. Galingan nyo ng iyan, oh.
Sabi sa'yo, nakaano ito doon. Tama yan, tama.
Ayan. Ito ang aking kinuha, ang pansit. Kaya ang pansit nila dito. Sarap. Dito? Ganon!
Bawal pala yung guys. Bawal yun o.
Bawal yung pababa. Ganon lang.
Ano, may na yung apoy? Malakas pa.
Ayan, malakas lang.
Ito po.
Yummy.
Hoy, oo.
Yan, so ito na nga guys ang aming ticket para sa Flower Garden. Here's your ticket, mother. Oh, one for you. One for you. Flower Garden. We're done with the barbecue. May iba't ibang mga halaman nila dyan, guys. Ayan. Ang dami ditong halaman. Ayan. Taiwan. Ito, may mga succulent din sila. Succulent. Tapos meron pa dito sa loob. Ayan. Iba-iba ang mga halaman nila dito. Pero may iba kakaiba. Pero yung iba naman natatagpuan din naman sa Pilipinas. Yung kagaya nito, sisig plant. Ito oh, cute. Maliliit na palmera. Maliliit silang. Yeah, money tree. Tapos meron din silang snake plant. Ayun, ito yung mga ano nila, guys. Bamboo. Mga lucky bamboo. Ang ganda dito, guys. Ang daming halaman. Ayan. Ay, parang may maliliit na cherry. Ayan. Tapos dito din. Ito oh, mga maliliit oh, na flower. Ang cute. Iba pa sibol pa lang. Ayan, ito talaga ang kukulay. Ayan. Ito ang ganda din. Snake plant. Marami. Ayan, ay, ang cute. Tulip. Ayan, mga tulip ang gaganda. Bawal niya ilabas. And dito guys, ang dami. Ma, dito ah! Ayan guys, oh, ang gaganda. Ayan, meron ito sa Pilipinas. Yan, meron sa Pilipinas. Ganito sila dyan. Ganda. Ayan, ang daming mga bulaklak. Oh, ang kukulay. Ayan. Mamaya doon tayo magtutour sa may Meteor Garden. Sa nag-dripping sila siya desay. Sila jamming sit. Yan na guys. So dahil tapos na kaming kumain. So dito may konting claw machine. Ayan. So ito na yung entrance ng Flower Farm. Ayan. This is the pinaka entrance. Ayan. So meron din silang paglinis ng koi. Ayan. So meron din naman para sa kiddie. Ayan, sa mga kids. May mga rides. Ayan, so ito na. So bigyan ko lang kayo ng konti. Yo, ayan, meron din silang honey. Ay, ito yung mga bees. Mga bees. Ay, ganda. Ayan.
Video. Eh, mula ka nakalika dito tayo. Ayun. Ayun na pala yun. Doon o. Diyan, mag-picture tayo. Alas 6 pa tayo yata. Ay, Ito yung papel natin.
Tea, mamaya, kuy. Only one. Kuy. Only one. Honey.
Ang galing na.
Honey 要收集，有没有？用那个
Pure honey.
Yeah, that's pure. How much?
Bibili ka?
Hindi. Mahalo kaya yan?
Wala. Ano yan? Puro yan.
Maganda yung sa ano sa ubo. Is it small as that?
May picture mo ako. Bay, oo. Ikaw lang naman ang mabagal. Ikaw i-picture ako dito. Doon. Ping, ping, ping. Hello. Dinala mo yung selfie stick mo. Hirap po. Sira. Ayun, dito ka tayong dalawa. Ano yun? Picture mo ako bago ikaw.
Ay, ayan na! Ang Nature Garden!
Ay, wag ka muna!
Ay, sige, tayo na.
Para isasan ba?
Paano ba ganyan?
Yan. Go, tatak.
Ganyan! Teka muna, ulitin natin. Picture ganyan muna lahat.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Next. Tatak.
Tatak na.
Tatak na. Ayan na siya.
Yes.
Di makita.
Yan. Tatayan ka.
Tradition.
Tradition, tatatak.
Yes.
If you leave and enter again, please stamp. Okay. Stamp.
Okay. Picture na. 1. Ay, oo. Guys, malibong na. Mas maganda na mag-picture. Kanina medyo mas And guys, ito yung red na mga flowers. Ganda. Ma'am Rana, say hi to our vlog. Hi, Ma'am Emma, Madam CEO. Ayan na guys, ayan yung mga naikot pa namin. Ayan, ito ang dami pa. Ayan, oh, ayan pa yung mga dilaw. Galing na ako din kanina sa mga dilaw. Tapos ito yung magandang bahay. Ayan nga guys, ang dami pa rin mga bulaklak na available pa dito. Ang lawak talaga niya guys, ang lawak. Ayan. Ayan, oh, ang dami pa. Ayan, oh, tapos ito yung bahay, ang ganda. Ayan, tapos ito yung mga dilaw na bulaklak. Ayan. So, ayan, ang gaganda rin dito. Ay, sige! Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Ay, ang ganda. Wow. Yan na guys, pabalik na kami. Yan, so ito na yung kabuuan ng ating flower farm tour. Hindi. Ayun na guys, ang ganda. Hi guys! Yan guys, mag-group photo na kami. So ayan na ang kabuuan ng tour natin sa flower farm. Here guys.
We love Apex Homes! 1B 2024! Woo!
So actually guys, I reserved this for you. Kahit mo anong tatawag sa talat na ito.
We have no idea.
Mamaya guys, alamin ko. Chop tunnel guys. Chop tunnel.
Parang yung pinaganoan sa Train to Busan. Ayan o. Ayan, ang taas na. Wow,
So what is different about this tunnel guys in Taiwan? Though it's a very long tunnel, ano siya, putol-putol siya. Para siguro...
Ayan guys, so dito na ang way natin papuntang San Juan Lake.
Kasi parang ako yung nasusunog na. Mamaya kita ko data.
Fast approaching tayo.
So may mga iba pa ditong mga restaurant. Parang nasa kalagitnaan kami ng mundo. Kasi nataas ng bundok nila dito guys. Grabe. Layo pa. Oo, talagang bundok talaga ang sinusuwi. Kasi sa kalagitnaan kami ng bundok. Grabe.
We should just prepare. Okay.
May mga tao na ako nakikita kanina.
Kanina no. Parang puro bundok yung nakita natin.
Ayan guys. Sobrang dikit-dikit ang mga establishments nila. Ayan. Share ko sa inyo ang kanilang mga ayan ang kanilang police station. We're now heading to San Juan Lake.
Parang walang mga tao.
Oh, yellow.
My friends. Okay, now here. Let's
we're now here. Tao na. So dito tayo sa parking. Ay. Ayun. Pwede rin mag-rent ng bike.
Pwede mag-bike.
Hi, sir. Ayan guys, oh. May cherry blossom pa, kakaunti lang. Lagas na yung iba. Tunay po yan. So ayan na nga guys. Tayo ay papunta muna doon sa boat. We will have our boat ride. Yan, meron din silang rental ng bike. Yan yung ating mga kasamahan. Hi Sir Eric, welcome to my vlog.
Okay. See ya.
Tangsi. Ngayon guys, so nag-CR muna kami and then sakay na kami ng boat ride papunta dun sa Salmon Lake. So ito ang view dito. Ang oras natin is 3:46, same lang din sa Philippines. And guys, ayan, ang ating mga ka-Apex sellers. Wow, ayan na guys. Start na kami ng aming boat tour. Yan, diba? This is the lake between the mountain na nasa taas. Nasa taas. Diba guys? Ang ganda. Look at the view. Take a post na daw ba o mamaya pa daw? Sir Eric. Sir Eric is in a hurry. Ang ka nakakita ng ganitong lake nasa gitna ng ano, sa taas. Ayan, so open sila ng 6 and then 7 naman. So here's the pastor because the boat is waiting. Ganda dito guys. Kakaibang experience. Salmon. Ayan, ang daming yate. Wow, ang ganda guys. Ayan. So itutur ko kayo ng bonggang-bongga dito sa Salmon Lake. So yun yung ating yate. Ayan pa yung ibang yate pa oh. Ayan. Ayan guys. Yes, pass one. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda guys. So ito ang tour ng yate dito sa loob. Yan, ang ganda, di ba? Yan, so dito tayo sa side. Ayan. Yan guys, nasa loob na tayo ng yate. Ayan sila, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Okay, we call because hence the name.
Ayan,
Yes.
ganda. Nina.
The east side of the lake resembles a sun, and the west side resembles a moon. Okay, so we just hence the name. Sunmoon Lake. Sunmoon Lake.
Sunmoon Lake.
Okay, and during the job, okay, we are leaving now here. Okay, before we departure. Okay, now we are on the way, so we take a picture here. Okay, here. Okay. So, my friends, the height of the lake is a second floor. During the Japan War of Taiwan, is 1895 to 1945. The Japan say, wow, it's so high, Mr. Press.
Yeah, it's so
But
high.
no water is very few.
Nasa
No
taas,
water.
grabe.
My friend, no water here. No water here. Okay, over there, can you see the lowest building? Okay, that's the brown color. Okay, the building we call 日月行馆 in Chinese. That is the hotel. Okay, the former president Chiang Kai-shek, before he lived there. The one night now open for public. The one night is 10,000 Taiwan dollar. Okay, that's about 333 US dollar per night. Okay, like the hotel there. Okay. Okay, so the Japan said, wow, so great. The price is higher. So the Japan government wants to create a hydropower. So, but no water, right? So they just from the mountain, okay? That's how many kilometers? 15 kilometers from the mountain. They dig a tunnel, okay? Just into the water to here. Okay, so that's fresh water here. Okay, fresh water here. Because you know it's no near the sea, the fresh water here. You see, on the right side, you can see the bumble fish. Bumble fish. Wow. Okay, the one village, indigenous people, we call South Tribe in Taiwan. The officials, there are 16 tribes. One of the tribes we call South Tribe. On the right side, the fishing boat. Bumble fishing boat. Okay. So there will be the government allow the native people to go fish, okay, part-time after 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. So the boat activity, water activity just start. So let the native people to go fish, okay, native people. So people at the daytime, can we swimming? No way, no way. But only in the September, there is we have here swimming across the Sunmoon Lake. No way, only once a year in September. So the distance is 3.3 kilometers. Later, I will tell you the point where we. Okay, on the right side, you can see the Laru Island. Laru Island. Before the island is 18 meters tall because of the earthquake. So the island sank. Okay, on the right side, please check because the indigenous people before they just chasing the white deer. So now you can find the white deer. Can you find white deer? Yes, alright. So you feel the white deer. That's a holy blessing. Because the indigenous people chasing the deer from our deer, that's the abundance of fish here. So they just name this island, Laru Island. Can you see that? Okay, you take about 3 hours. Yeah. Maybe next time you can try to 30 little bike. Yeah. You can see it's okay, I know very well because I've done some. Okay, so here the house on the right side, you can see there's a view like diamond. Diamond is actually Okay, that's the highest lighthouse in the world.
Oo, may kita mo yun
On the
dyan.
right side, can you see that?
Ewan ko, maabot mo. Ang liliit. Oo, nakabitin. Ayun yung goal ko na.
On the right side, you can see a town over there. We call it Yidasao. Okay, Yidasao. The name of the place we call Yidasao. The swimming, just jump into the water from the west side. You can see that. Swimming the 3.3 kilometers. Wow, takes about 2 hours. You just swimming. Okay. Maybe you can say, Eric, you are coach. You are lifeguard coach. Can you? Sambun Lake. Sambun Lake.
Sambun Lake.
Mami.
Welcome to.
人做的. Okay, that's yes, no. Okay, 4:25. We are meeting at parking lot. 4:25. 4:20.
Ay, Ma'am Glenny. Ma'am Glenny.
Hi guys!
Yan na nga. Tapos na kami. Umikot lang kami sa Salmon Lake.
Yes.
Maganda daw yung tubig, malinis kasi galing mismo doon sa
Tapos 1 year lang siya pwedeng higuan pero mga athletes, ba?
Yes.
September.
Every September. Isang beses lang, once a year.
Yeah. Dito pwedeng liguan.
Yan ating mga ka-Apex sellers. Hi kayo dyan.
Hi! Ano? Kaya nga, dapat na sa paa eh. Dapat na ito. Paa, Kenneth. 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 Welcome to Salmon Lake. Thank you, Apex Homes. Woo!
Yan sana kahit postcard lang mo.
Ayan guys.
Ayan ganito ang dito sa tayo. Ang lamig na.
Ay, malamig na, mamana.
Malamig na. Ayan. Kaya nga, ako yung likod ko hindi na natuyo eh. Bayan guys. Kaya nga eh. Change outfit mamaya. Ayan. Mr. Eric, where's our next destination?
Wenwu Temple.
Okay.
Wenwu Temple. Yes.
Are you thirsty?
Oh, Sir Eric, do we still have water there? Bottled water?
Bottled water. One day is one bottle of water.
Oh, one bottle only?
Yes, and so you can let me know because in Taiwan we always prepare the bottle. Like me, we can find a water dispenser to fill the water because the government encourage the people to bring the water barrels.
Ayan guys, yung bus namin. Ayan.
If you want to fishing here, no way. Okay, just for